Okay, let's go over electric connection or shore power. So the second to last cabinet in the back of the coach on the driver's side is where the electrical cord is. So what you want to do is open this cover and then take this cord, feed it through the opening, and then onto wherever you're going to connect it. So typically, if you're going to be at a campsite, you're going to have a post a few feet away from where you are, and you're going to be able to connect one of a couple ways. So this coach takes a 50 amp connection, and that's what this plug is right here. So if you have 50 amp service, make sure that the breaker is off, plug this in, and then you can turn the breaker back on and you'll get the 50 amp connection. It's possible that you might only have a 30 amp connection, so you can use this adapter here. This is called, some people call these a dog bone adapter, but this plugs into the one end of the 50 amp cord. The other end is a 30 amp connection, and this can be plugged in at the post at the campsite as well. There's also a 50-foot extension cord for the 30 amp connection. And then if you don't have a 30 amp connection, like if you're at your house, or if you just have a regular 15-20 amp 120 volt connection, you can use this last wishbone, which will go from the male end of the extension cord into the female end of the wishbone, and on the other end you have your typical residential connection. So that's how you make the electrical connections when you are stationary with the coach.